Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is me, Noman Sher, your English instructor, once again with all of you people. And hope you all are well. So, my dear student, today I'm going to teach you about rule number 3, and the topic is both. In this video, I'm going to talk about some common errors in the use of both in our English language. So, my dear student, without further ado, let's get started. My dear student, maybe you remember that as I told you from rule number 1, that first we need to see on the basis of parts of speech. First of all, I'm going to tell you about both on the basis of parts of speech. So both, it acts as a pronoun as well as adjective in a sentence. It acts as a pronoun as well as an adjective in a sentence, okay? How will I tell you in a sentence? For example, if I make a sentence, both were present. Both were present. Now in this sentence, both, it acts as a pronoun. Because let me tell you, okay, as you know that subject and verb agreement. Were, in this sentence, were is a verb, but it needs a subject. ये किसी verb को subject भी चाहिए और subject को या noun या pronoun होना चाहिए. तो इस sentence में both तो noun नहीं हो सकता, लेकिन ये pronoun भी act करता है. तो ये both इस sentence में as a pronoun act कर रहा है. In the similarly, okay, adjective काम करेगा. For example, if I make a sentence, both the students were present. Both the students were present. In this sentence, students is a noun, but as you know that what's noun? Noun is the name of person, place, or thing. But in the same sentence, noun and pronoun will never use together in the same sentence. Because as I told you that noun is the name of person, place, or thing. But if I tell you about pronoun, it is used instead of noun. प्रोनाउन को नाउन की जगह में हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं. तो एक सेंटेंस में नाउन और प्रोनाउन ये कभी एक साथ कभी एक्ट नहीं करेंगे. तो इस सेंटेंस में ये बहुत एज एन एडजेक्टिव एक्ट कर रहा है, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट ये नाउन हो गया, अगर ये प्रोनाउन हो गया तो सेंटेंस इट विल बी इनकरेक्ट. ओके, तो इस सेंटेंस में बहुत एज अ एडजेक्टिव एक्ट कर रहा है. आई होप दैट यू गॉट इट. ओके, let me tell you the usages of both, okay? First of all, both, it is used in positive sentence. ये बहुत पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस के लिए हम लोग यूज करते हैं, और मैंने बहुत से लोगों को देखा है कि वो क्या बहुत के साथ नेगेटिव भी बहुत यूज किया है, लेकिन वो सेंटेंस नेगेटिव में. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मैं सेंटेंस में कहना बोथ वर प्रेजेंट, वो कहते बोथ वर नॉट प्रेजेंट. सो if you use both in a negative sentence, then your sentence will not be accurate grammatically, क्योंकि both को हम लोग सिर्फ only, both is used only with आप ये भी कह सकते हैं it is used only in positive sentence. ये सिर्फ पॉजिटिव फिक्रे में यानी मुस्बत फिक्रे में हम लोग इसको यूज कर सकते हैं. If you want to make a negative sentence, so you can use neither instead of both. अगर आप नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाना चाहते हो तो both की जगह में आप neither भी यूज कर सकते हो. In a negative context, you can use neither instead of both. I hope that you got it. And neither, oh sorry, both is a plural, okay? What? It's a plural. If it's a plural, so the verb, it should be plural, because as you know the subject and verb agreement, it tells that if a verb, it should be used according to the subject. Now in this sentence, subject को क्या होना चाहिए, noun या pronoun? तो both pronoun हो गया. अगर ये pronoun plural हो गया तो हमें हमारा जो verb है उसको भी plural होना चाहिए. ये अगर plural हो गया तो and so verb ये भी प्लूरल होना चाहिए. कि देखो both were present, were is a plural form of verb, so इसलिए both के साथ मैंने plural use की. You need to note it, okay? And both के साथ हम लोग सिर्फ एक conjunction use करते हैं, और वो क्या, only and, only and हम लोग use करते हैं. किसके साथ? both के साथ. ये एक conjunction हो गया. It's a conjunction and we can use only had with both. क्योंकि हम लोग both ना दो की बात कर रहा है. अगर इसकी जगह में मैं लिखूं ना और, ये सिर्फ तो एक की बात कर रहा है, लेकिन both it is used for two, दो चीज या दो पर्सन के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. तो इसलिए हम लोग सिर्फ इसके साथ हैंड यूज करते हैं. और बहुत सी कंजक्शन है, फॉर एग्जांपल एज लॉन्ग एज, अलोंग विद, इनके साथ both it will never used for these conjunctions. It must be kept in your mind, okay? So this is overall about both. So now I'm gonna tell you about I'm gonna talk about the common errors in the sentence, okay? My dear student, you need to note these points. So this is overall about both. So now I'm gonna talk about some common errors in the use of both in our English language, okay? My dear student, I have written these sentences. So let's find some common errors in the use of both. Okay? First one, both the students as well as the teacher attended the meeting. Just to recall your memory, as I told you before, that and, it's a conjunction, okay? And is only used with both. सिर्फ हम लोग एंड बोथ के साथ इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं एज ए कंजक्शन की बात कर रहा हूँ. सिर्फ एंड हम लोग यूज करेंगे, जो बाकी कंजक्शन है उनके साथ हम लोग यूज नहीं करेंगे. बट इन दिस सेंटेंस वी हैव यूज्ड एज वेल एज, सो दिस सेंटेंस इज इनकरेक्ट. Instead of as well as, we can use hand. Now this sentence is correct grammatically. Both the students and the teacher attended the meeting. Similarly, both the doctor and nurse were not busy. Now this sentence is incorrect because I told you that both is not used for negative sentence. It's only used for positive sentence. But in this sentence gives negative sense. So this sentence is incorrect. So we have to remove not. Now this sentence is correct, that both the doctor and nurse were busy. If we want to make this sentence into negative, we can. As I told you before, that instead of both, we can use neither in negative sentence. So this sentence will be neither the doctor nor the nurse was busy. Now this sentence is correct grammatically, okay? In the same way, both of them are not coming. As I told you in this sentence, that both is not used for negative sentence, it is just used for positive sentence. So not is removed, then now the sentence is correct. Both of them are coming. And I told you as well that if we want to make this sentence into negative sentence, so we can use neither instead of both. So this sentence will be neither of them is coming. Neither of them is coming. Now this sentence gives negative sense and it's correct grammatically as well. I hope that you have got everything, my dear student. In conclusion, I'm just gonna tell you, don't forget to subscribe my channel. You should subscribe my channel. I will be grateful to you. See you tomorrow. Take care. Love.